Hi and welcome to your first tutorial on installing Java on your Windows system. For this we're going to use a web browser to go to the JDK development site, Java Sun, and I'm going to pop open a new tab and we're going to search for Java JDK, and the first URL that pops up there is Java SE downloads. We can click on that link. Then in downloads we can go to the Java tab and click download. We can accept the license agreement, and then you can look at which JDK suits your system, whether you're using a 32-bit system or a 64-bit system. I'm using a 64-bit system, so I'm going to click this, and that's going to download there, and I'm going to pause the video as I already have this downloaded, and we'll continue on. Okay, so once that's downloaded, we can go to our downloads, and you can see the file there, and we can double click on it and go run and go next and go next. You can wait for all the progress dialogues to finish, and I'm going to pause the video here again because that's probably going to take a couple of minutes, and then we'll resume again. And here we can see that it has been successfully installed on the machine, and we can close. And where that gets installed to is, if you open up your C directory and go to program files and go Java, and there we have JDK 1.7.0_07, which is update 7, and inside of here is the bin directory with all the SDK tool or JDK tools, sorry. And just one more thing on top of that, we can set the Java home environmental variable to here, which you'll be using for other development tools when you are installing and using various different IDEs. So to do that, we can go to start on your Windows machine and hit run, or if you don't have run available, you can just type cmd and open the command line tool. From here we can check, we can clear the address here by going cd /, so that clears the directory URL. And from here we can check the Java home variable by going echo %Java_home, all in caps, and hit return. And I have that set to an older JDK, so I'm gonna since I have the newer one installed, I'm gonna reassign that to a newer one. If you haven't already, if this is your first time installing the JDK, it should just echo back Java home. But if not, and you have an older one installed, you can do what I'm going to do here and change that to set Java home, set Java_home equal to C_, slash program files slash Java slash JDK 1.7.0_07. And if we use echo Java home again, you can now see that we have assigned our Java home environmental. Okay, so to write our first program and check that we can use the compile tool correctly, we can open up the command line tool again and clear the address space, and we can check the Java version has been installed correctly, first of all by saying Java minus version, and gives us the information of the installed version and the runtime environment. Here in the C directory we can create a new Java file by going notepad and going test.java, and that brings us up a file that I've already created. So as you can see here, if you type this out correctly and save it as all files and name it test, but put .java at the end of it and hit save. I'm going to be replacing the file, but for you won't get this message prompt if you're doing it for your first time. Okay, so that's done, and we go back to the command line tool and we compile it. So we go Java C test.java. No errors have come up. So then if we run that class file by going Java test, we get hello world, and from here we can see that we successfully installed Java, and we can run the compile tool from the command line.